and the policeman. But worst of all, the traffic. We only have a couple miles left on this road, and it's like the best couple miles left. This river that's running next to us over here on the left, it has a cool waterfall coming up ahead. You're not going to get to see it today because I'm going the wrong direction. But if you're running south on this road, when you're running south through this section coming up, if you get as close to the edge as you can, the view is amazing. But whatever you do, don't go over the edge. Alright, think about that. If you're riding two up and you have a passenger who's afraid of heights, that would be a good time to scare the crap out of them. You can start to see the drop off over there. Look at that valley, that gorge. That not cool or what? Somewhere along here, the road fell off. I don't know where that's at. I looked for it yesterday when I came through here. But yeah, there were drone pictures of it. It was just asphalt. All the dirt underneath was gone, and the guardrail was just hanging. This guardrail right here, if you go slow along this guardrail going up the mountain, the view is just insane. You can see so far down. In the winter time, when the leaves aren't on the trees, you can really tell how far down it is. Those trees are ginormous down in that gorge. And you can kind of see the treetops. The trees really go nice and straight up here, just reaching out for that sunlight. But alright, this section of 28 is done. I'm going to cut it off here. If you like my ramblings, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like my ramblings, just hit the X in the top right corner. Please don't give me a thumbs down. It hurts my feelings. Alright, later. Thanks for watching.